Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to hide your real name on the Xbox Series X or Xbox One. So power on your console and access the home page, and then from here select the settings icon at the top of the screen, and then within settings select account and choose privacy and online safety. So select that, type in your PIN when prompted if you have one also. And then from here, select Xbox privacy, and then scroll down and select view details and customize. So choose that. And then from this page, select profile, and then flick to the right until you see others can see your real name. So by default, it's set to friends. But if you want to hide your real name, simply select only me. Or you can customize it to suit your needs. So you can select people I choose and select all the people that you'd like to see your real name. If you want your friends to see your real name, you can select your friends. Or if you want everyone to see your real name, everyone from the Xbox community will see your real name. So for me, I'll just keep select only me, and that will hide your friend, or rather it will hide your real name. So that's basically it on how to go about this feature. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.